At the Helm is brought to you by BoatUS. Better boating starts here.
One of the most important stops at the Discover Boating New England Boat Show is BoatUS. Whether you're a brand new boater who just bought your first boat or a seasoned captain who's been on the water for years, a BoatUS membership with TowBoatUS towing coverage is one of the smartest investments you can make.
Captain Noah, here we are again at the Discover Boating New England Boat Show, and this is something that a new boater doesn't want to see, but a guy who's been on the water in New England wants to see it all the time when they need it, right?
Yes, sir, absolutely. We have about 25 boats in the New England area, actively running around, saving boaters in distress and jump starts, soft on groundings.
You know, I say all the time, BoatUS membership costs a little bit more than dinner and drinks at the marina bar, right?
It absolutely does, but it's well worth it.
And it's one of the most important things for a person who just got into boating to sign up for. And what kind of specials do they get at a boat show? I find the best place to sign up for TowBoatUS or BoatUS is at a boat show, right?
Absolutely. For the last 10 years, they've been giving about $50 off per membership. It's a 365-day membership. Gives you discounts at marinas for fuel and for moorings or dockage. Also, you get unlimited towing all around the area nationwide.
And then it's so important for a boater to know where they are, to know how to locate themselves. And using the BoatUS app is probably one of the quickest ways to do that, right?
Absolutely. They came out with this new app. You would basically hit a button which gives the GPS coordinates directly to our dispatch center, and they dispatch a boat in the fastest possible way to get to you. And they give the exact location, which is really great.
So I download the app. Not only do I get GPS information, it says where I am right then. You've got weather information and all of those amenities as well in that app,
They
right?
do. They also have the people that the discounts for the different marinas and things like that, which are really helpful.
And should I need a tow, I hit one button and it goes direct to a dispatch center, and then from that dispatch center to whatever the closest towboat is, right?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
That's amazing. TowBoatUS membership, BoatUS membership, man. Don't leave the dock without it.
Absolutely.
For more information on the benefits of a BoatUS membership and how to sign up, visit driftsociably.com or follow us at Drift Sociably on social media.